So I got the throttle mapper installed. The instruction wasn't that clear, so I had to call Mini Models and make sure that I put the stand on the right place, so I don't want to mess up my stuff. But we'll try it right now and you guys can see. And of course, you can program this. There's a video also, the guy showing how to program this, so you can change different settings that you want. But I think 3 where it's already at works for me. So do this. Alright. I put mine for kick to start. So you see that? Start rolling really smooth. And when you want the full power, you can just go for it. That's that full power right there. So, but it's just that now you have this smooth, like when you click on the throttle, it's like super smooth. See that? You can just cruise. See that? It's not that kick anymore that try to throw you off the board. You know, I mean, you still have that if you want to see that. You still got that, but now you have to really press on it. Anyway, I'm gonna turn this thing off. Disconnect this and plug in back the way it was so you guys can see the difference. So I'll do that right now and then we'll see the difference. I do not have somebody holding this, so I'm just gonna use my thing to hold this. Go ahead and turn off the switch. Unplug this. Get that out. Plugging it into the original. Sorry guys, I haven't been feeling too well, so I haven't been making any videos. So now we got that plugged back into the original controller. Without this, I'm gonna turn this back on and gonna try it and see if you can see the difference. See that? You see the difference? It's still a lot of way too much power. You see that? You can see that this is way more aggressive. Way more aggressive Then when you have that throttle mapper on there, see that? You just want to rip off when you tap on the thing, but with the mapper there's a little bit more control. So turn this off, go ahead and install it again, and like I said, you guys can adjust this, of course. Just gonna go ahead and install it back up. So I am gonna put this thing down here. This is actually the first time I'm opening the deck on the Thunder. I do not like messes, and I don't like things looking out of place. So I'm gonna figure out a way to set this thing up so it's not like just hanging off right there. But now install it right back and turn this on, and let's do that test one more time so you guys can see it. You see that? Look how slow it's rolling. Once you get past this part, you can really let it go, and that's when you feel the full power. But you know, you can cruise. Look at that. It's rolling right now. You can really cruise. And if you want the full power, it's right there. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Sorry I've been away. Like I said, I haven't been feeling too well, but thank you guys for watching. If you do have any questions, feel free to ask. I just thought that this is important to let you guys know and update you guys on some of the stuff that I'm doing on the scooter. Got some lights installed up here. Like I haven't been riding because I haven't been feeling too well, but got this installed. Need to get it tucked in somewhere, keep it clean, and cover this deck back up. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And thank you for all the subscriptions that I've been getting. Appreciate y'all. Have a wonderful day.